Hi, Samson. Go down there. What's in there? Look it. Look what's down there. What's in there? Could ya? Would ya? Maybe. No? Here.
This was green. I saw green.
Get it. Get it.
Oh. Hey. Oh, I'm thinking about it.
Get it. Go ahead. Come on. You do it. You do it. You know you wanna. Are you dissing me? Are you dissing me? Nick? Come on. What's in there? Look at it. Look at these. Aren't those interesting? Hi. You want this? You want to take it? What's in there? What's in there, Harrison? What's in there? Would you do it? Oh, you'd do it, wouldn't you? Would you? Would you? Would you, could you? Yeah, well, that's the container. You got to get a piece of paper. Pick one up. What's that? Get it. Would you take one? Something. Look at you, love pieces of paper. You love pieces of paper. Get one. Get one. Oh, get back over here. Get back over here. You do your job. You don't have to work that off. Come on. Oh. Get one. Psych. Okay, we're going to try a different container. Here. What is that? What is that? Get one? Want to get one? Get it. You can do it. You can do it. No? What's in there? What's in there? Would you get one? Would you take one? Would you take one? How about you pull one out? How about you pull one out? You could. Did you just wink at me? Did you just wink at me? What you doing? You're very, very You're very, very cute. Here. You gonna get one? You gonna get one? You got one. Good job. Good job. Now can I have it back? Can I have it back? Let's see which one you got. Maybe I can zoom in on it. Maybe I can zoom in on the number. What you got? Which one? Which one did you get? Can I see it? Can I see which one it is? He's a good boy, Sam. He's a good boy. I tell you what, I'll trade you a mealworm for one. Here, you want that? You want a mealworm? Good job. Good job. Let's see which one you picked. You picked number 26. So today's winner is number 26. Good job, Samson. Good job.